to my channel. So for today's video we have a new makeup tutorial. I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look, and also my head wrap. I did get my mom to put my little head wrap on. I did create this pretty glam bronzy look for you guys today. Also my head wrap, if you guys are interested in it, I did purchase it from Cece's Closet on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram linked in the description box down below. And yeah, overall I'm really loving this look, and you guys are always complaining that you guys do want more makeup tutorials, so I figured it's the perfect time to put some new content out there. So yeah, I really love how this entire look turned out. I'm so pleased with it, and I do hope you guys enjoy it. I will have all the products that was used in today's tutorial listed down below in the description box, and that's pretty much about it. Let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is my head wrap, and I did get my head wrap from Cece's Closet. That's their name on Instagram, and I'm just having my mom pin up my hair, that way the headband fits right on my head. And basically what you want to do is pin your hair up into a bun and just wrap it around, and as you guys saw, it does come with this little card that shows you exactly how to basically wrap your head with the head wrap. And my mom was literally laughing at the color of the wrap, but it looked really pretty when she was done putting it on. Now I'm just taking some edge control, and I'm just going in and swooping my baby hairs, laying them down, and as I swoop I just like slick the rest under the head wrap. And yeah, so lay the baby hairs. You gotta lay them baby hairs. That's what really makes that head wrap looks good on your head, is them little baby hairs. So lay them down however you like, to each its own. Do what you feel best that it's gonna look good on you. That's what I like, and yeah.
Stay with me, girl. Take you to see my mama. I take you to see my papa. I take you to see my brother. I take you to see my sister. See, mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Mama, 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 yeah. Just do it for me. Put that thing up on the floor. Make you do it for me. Make you do it for me, girl. When always okay, oh, yeah, yeah. When always okay, oh, yeah, when always okay, oh, yeah, yeah. When always okay, oh, yeah, yeah. Put that thing up on the floor. Make you do it for me. Make you do it for me, girl. When always okay, oh, yeah, yeah. When always okay.
Now moving on to face. So for my face, I usually always start with my eyebrows. I'm using my Anastasia brow pomade. I think this one is in chocolate, I believe. And so I'm just taking my eyebrow brush and I'm just filling in my brows. And then after I'm done that, I'm just going to take a spoolie and we're just going to comb them out and then clean them up with some concealer. Usually, you guys know I always use concealer to clean up my brows, but today I went in with my Maybelline Brow Precise Perfection highlighter. So it's like a highlighter pen basically. It's a little really light, but as I once I take my my little brush that I use to clean up my brows and literally blend them out, you do not see all that harsh whiteness. So don't worry about it being really light with me drawing them on. And then I don't usually clean the top until I'm doing my foundation, but which I did it off camera, so just putting it out there, I did clean up the top, but I did that part after I was done my foundation. I usually take my foundation and clean up the top part of my brows. Now I'm taking this coconut water primer stick by I think this is Hard Candy. I picked this up in Walmart for $7.99 here in Canada. I usually use this just to prep and hydrate my face. It does leave my face feeling really nice, so I really like this product before applying any foundation to my face. For foundation, I'm going in with the new Juvias Place Eye Magic foundation, and this one is in 430. This one is Rio. That's basically my shade in your foundations. And please, you guys, do not judge my nails. I did not get a chance to go get them done, and they're looking crazy right now. I added my foundation to the brush, and I'm just gonna dab it onto my face, spread it out, and then we're gonna rub it in. Now I'm taking the Juvias Place Concealer. This one is in the shade number 8. It is the darkest shade, so I do use this one to contour my face. I usually place this on my cheekbones, the lowest parts on my jaw, and on my forehead also. Usually I use it to contour my nose as well, but I don't know why for some reason today I did not contour my nose at all, which I actually liked it this way. But yeah, and I just blend it out.
She already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, You want murder me,
And for concealer to highlight my face itself, I'm going in with number 13 in their concealer as well. And then I just take my damp beauty blender and blend that out.
So make you give them, girl. So make you show them that you got it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you anywhere when you turn me on. You looking at me, girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, You want murder me, You want murder me. You want murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy. Bad man, me I come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place, enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain, The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
Now moving on to eyes, I'm using the Colourpop California Love Eyeshadow Palette. And this is such a pretty palette for like bronzy looks. It does have a lot of shimmery colors inside and also a few mattes. The first shade that I'm taking is this one. That's called, honestly, I can't see it through the screen, so I'm not going to read it out because I can't see too well. But I'm taking this like nude shade right here, and I'm just placing this on the highest points of my eyebrows and blending that out with a flat eyeshadow brush. So the next shade that I'm taking is this bright orange shade, which reminds me a lot like Kaylee. So I'm taking this shadow and I'm placing it right into my creases and blending it upwards. Also, this is my transition shade, so you do want to make sure that you blend this really well, making sure that you have no creases and it's just seamless. Next, I'm grabbing this brown bronzy shade and I'm only placing this right into the center of my creases and blending that out. So I repeat, only like in the center, like the center of your creases, and blend it out. Then I went back in with a bit of that orange shadow and kind of like just blended it out some more, just like the edges of it. That way I didn't have any harsh lines, and it kind of like gave me that gradient effect to like where it looked like it was like a sunset coming in on my eyes, basically, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so I went in with a little bit of that orange shade and just like blended it out some more. Then to really kick off this look, I'm going in with this gold pigment. This one is called Diego. I can actually read that on the screen. And I'm placing this directly onto my lids and kind of bringing it upwards into that brown shadow that I applied. And just blending it out, making sure that everything looks seamless and nice. And that's pretty much it for eyeshadow. This is a really nice bronzy look. I love it.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time.
Now, I'm not applying any eyeliner for this look. We're just going to apply some mascara to my eyes. And for lashes, I'm using No Edit in my own, which these ones are called Barbie. I will leave everything listed down below for you guys. That way you guys can check them out. I do have free shipping on all orders over $30. So definitely check it out. I have a lot of different styles. I have 8 styles in total in my lashes. From really wispy lashes to like the most simple lashes ever. I think my most basic like simple lashes are Layla Lash and Barbie. I think Dreamy is really natural as well, but it was like the 3 like most natural looking lashes.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Then for lips, I'm taking a brown lip liner and just outlining my lips. And the lip gloss that I'm using, I actually got it in my BoxyCharm subscription box. So this one is from Alamar Cosmetics. And the lip gloss is called Coqueta. And like I said, I got this in my BoxyCharm subscription box, so I didn't purchase this in the store online. It's a really pretty nude lip gloss, and then I find like with this look, it wasn't like nude enough for me. It was more like on the dull side. So then I went in with a different lip gloss. I believe it was from Nick Hack, New York. I'm not too sure, but I did pick it up in my beauty supply store. I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys it on the camera. But I believe it's from Nick Hack, New York, and it's like a really nude, like sheer pink color. So I just topped that into the middle of it to give it some color. And yeah, that was pretty much it for the look. I will leave everything listed down below for you guys. If I forgot to mention anything in this video, I will have all the details, like all the products listed. Just check the description box for all the products that I used in today's tutorial. And again, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be.
If you've made it this far in the video, definitely give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel in this look, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.